OpenAI has finally released their new model Sora 2 after a long time. Undoubtedly, this is one of the top AI video generator tool at this time. But the main question is how to access this. Most of the people are struggling to get the invitation code. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 methods to access the Sora for free. And the last one will definitely work for you because it worked for me. So let's begin the video. The first thing you do is to open the URL sora.com in Chrome browser. Enter your username here. When you enter the username, you will face the area restriction here. But don't worry, you will access anywhere from the world. To fix this problem, you guys come on this and to do this simple task. It takes a few seconds. Refresh this page again and again enter your username. Now you are on the Sora homepage. After that, click on the join new Sora. You guys will not use the Sora 2 without the invite code. You need an invite code to access the Sora 2. So where we get the invite code? We have the 3 options to get the invite code. The first option is to go to the Discord server of the OpenAI. For this, go to the Google search and type the OpenAI Discord server. Click on the first link and then join this. You need to have a Discord account to join. If it's not, first create it. After that, it will bring you to the Discord server. On their left side, you see we have the different channels. Scroll down and you need to click on the Sora codes. People are quickly sharing the invite codes here. You have to be very active and alert at this stage. Open the invite code window in one tab and Discord server in other. So you have the 2 windows at the same time. One is Discord and other is invite code. Quickly copy any of the code which someone shares and paste it into the invite code window. You have to complete this task in 3 to 4 seconds because each code is valid for the one user. If luckily accepted, then you will access to the Sora 2. If it's not, wait for the others. Let's say I have a code, then click on join Sora. Now you access to the Sora 2 page. The second way to access the Sora is through mobile app. Their app is only available for the iPhone devices. But again, here is the problem of location. To download this app from the App Store, your country location must be the United States. You can also watch tutorial on YouTube how to do this. My country location in App Store is United States, so I can easily download this app. In the App Store, search the word Sora by OpenAI. Then install this. I have already installed. Again, you have to enable this, otherwise it will not work. Open the Sora app and continue with the ChatGPT. You have to click on this. We will notify you when access is open. They will notify if they want to give access. I'm not saying they will not give, but there may be chance. The last and the best option to get a Sora invite code is through this website. I have pinned down all the links in the comment section. This website provides the code that are shared by the community. This is the timer of this. Whenever new code update, it display on the front, which you easily copy and directly paste it into the Sora. Unlike this code where mostly codes shared are invalid, this website code are mostly valid. I personally get the 2 code within 20 minutes. Like this code, you have to be active on that because you are not only one. Again, if luckily accepted, you will access to the Sora 2. Once your one code gets accepted, you will receive a few invite code to share with others. Click on this invite friends and new code is generated. Right now, I have 0 invite left. Now let's try to generate the output from here. Here is the prompt section and I type a prompt here. A monkey is driving a car on highway, talking excitedly about the power and speed. And from the settings, choose the landscape and portrait mode. Hit the generate button. This is our output.
Hear that? That's raw power, baby. This engine wants to run and I'm giving it the whole road. 95, 98, ha! She just keeps pulling. Wind in the first, sun on my face. This is what speed feels like. Nothing but me, the machine.
They have not mentioned how many outputs you can create. But from my testing, it allows up to 30 free generations per day while it lasts. That's all from me today. See you guys in the next video.